Puro bangag. Oh, at marami po raw kilala si dating Pangulong Duterte ngayon mga kababayan na mga government officials. Kasalukuyang government officials na mga ngagnag. Panoorin po natin mga kababayan.
Mr. President, your pronouncement that don't destroy my country cause I will kill you. Does this pertains to all of these elements, Mr.
Hindi
Ayun.
naman. Sir, I was really particularly
Hyperbole. Kayo naman dandansoy.
worried because yung droga kasi ang target
Si
yung
Saba,
mga bata.
Si Saba, tinakpan na ang mga kababayan, yung tainga ni Saba.
Hindi tayo. Ang droga na distribute dyan sa mga high school, dyan sa mga ano. Kung ang next generation ng Pilipino, puro
Bangag.
bangag. Marami
Ngag-ngag.
nakikita mo dito.
Marami kami nakikita ngag-ngag. Ayaw mo pa hair follicle.
Nakikita mo mga bangag eh.
Oh, official ng
Alam mo na
gobyerno
kung
ng
sino ang
ngag-ngag.
bangag. Tinatawag nila. Kaya
Di
ako,
ba?
sir, I'm just being, well, I was giving it.
Alam nyo kung sino ang bangag.
Talagang galit ako sa kriminal.
Yes.
I love
And
it.
would you
Naggalit ako sa kriminal.
and would you
Oh,
agree
si
with me,
Diliba,
Mr. President?
gumalaw
that,
pa yung sabi ni
doon po sa
Digong.
inyong war on drugs. Ito po news article tungkol kay Las Cañas, who
Another na
claims he
naman.
was a former DDS leader and personally
Former.
killed about 200 people. Sinabi niya po sa Senado, the squad was formed under the guise of an anti-crime unit within the
Grabe, si
Davao
Del Fernandez.
Police.
Oh, siya na lahat ng tanong mga kababayan.
He says, given
He
the task
says,
of
Moises.
the team was, he says, given the task of eliminating hardened criminals
Grabe, sino sponsor ng money dyan? Ang daming money sa quad
and
ko mga
later
kababayan.
political opponents and journalists critical of Duterte's rule. He alleged regularly took direct orders from sa inyo po about who to kill and how to dispose of the bodies. Las Cañas claims
Sino ba
those
si
shocking
Las
words, throw them in the ocean
Tanong mo
or
kay
in the
Trillanes.
quarry. Bury them.
Ocean.
Make sure there are no traces of the bodies were spoken by Duterte at
Hukayin.
one of the dozens of alleged meetings with the DDS. The police hit squad was paid based on the value of the
Value.
targets, he says. So, Mr. President, ang tanong ko po, totoo po ba ang sinasabi ni Las Cañas? Gano'n nyo po ba katagal nakakilala ang taong ito?
Storyteller yan, sir.
Storyteller ang Las Cañas na yan.
Si Raulo.
Oh.
Pero matagal nyo na po siyang kilala.
Pero,
Si Dilima ang
pulis yan, pero
ano yan? Nagdala dyan mga kababayan ng Las Cañas sa Senado dati.
later on,
Oh, tililing.
maybe because sa karaming pinatay niya, hinabol siya ng mga kalag.
Natililing na mga kababayan. Oh, Midolto.
Ang spirito ng pinatay niya. Medyo bungog ngayon.
Bungog.
May 3 dekada nga po ba siya na nagsilbi sa inyo? Kasi binabanggit niya dito, in his more than 3 decades of service, admitted that he was blindly loyal to the cause and saw his work as a noble form
Bungog
of
na
public
nga eh.
service. We were, Mr.
men.
President, for a while, we were risking our lives for the welfare of the
Wag mo na
majority of the
ituloy dahil
people. I
bulada sa
felt
hat.
that I was serving
Hoy, Diyos mo as if naman no, ang galing magbasa nitong si Dan Fernandez. Pasagutin ni Mas
the
Digong.
country for the greater good. Yun po yung kanyang parang naramdaman. Nung
Naramdaman!
niya yung mga 200 people na kanyang pinatay dahil naniniwala po siya sa nobility ng kanyang sinasabi. po
Tapos
ninyo
ngayon,
na this is
anghel-anghilan.
being done because of public service.
Gusto maging santo, santito.
Yes, sir.
Sige.
May hero complex yung buang na yan.
Hero complex.
Sino man maniwala ka ng istorya na gano'n?
Meron pa po siya sasabi, Mr.
imposible.
President. Ito, last na po to.
Ay, buladas ay. Ano ba to sa
Nasasabi
dadas?
niya, he tells one particular incident. No? Medyo worrisome po ako talaga dito because
worrisome
meron po
po,
yung
ha?
binabagat against this. That has given him nightmares for years. In 1996, Las Cañas and his team
Si Raulo
were
na
ordered
yan.
to kill an alleged
Bungog na
criminal, his pregnant wife, and his 4-year-old son who were all in the same vehicle at the same time. I attempted to rescue the 4-year-old boy. Las Cañas claimed. But according to our team leader, since the boy had seen
Ay,
our
naku.
faces, he could recognize us in
Faces.
years from now and identify us. It was on the personal order of Duterte, he claims, that they disposed of the
Storyteller.
family. Mayor Rudy approved the recommendation of our task force commander in front of us to erase, meaning to kill everyone. That was his specific order, that he okay with it, provided it would be clean.
Sir,
Hindi clean ang pagkabasa mo. Kulang ka sa F.
medyo taas-taas ito lang.
Kung marami ka pang babasahin, ito na sagot.
When I was a fiscal,
Hmm.
kunti lang yung sweldo. I got married.
Ayan na, nagkwento na tuloy.
Got pregnant anak ko. Short yung income. Nagturo ho ako to augment my income sa
Teacher.
Police Academy
TRRD.
sa Davao City for about almost 7 years. Well, I was wala akong tinuro na ganun sa kanila.
Correct.
Pwede po.
By the book.
Hindi naman ako gabong hipokrito na magsabi sa kanila, ito ang gawin mo, tapos
Oh.
pagdating doon, sabihin ko sa kanila na iba ang gawin. That's a very complex thing to do kung ako ang
Abogado.
tutukoy mo sa... I cannot imagine myself teaching criminal law
Tapos siya pa ang
sa
lalabag.
police academy doon. Pagkatapos, iba ang sabihin ko sa kanila sa likod.
Oh.
Mr. President, if I may, no?
Sana magets mo, Dan Fernandez.
Sinabi rin po ni Las Cañas dito
Hoy,
that
lahat na sinabi ni Las Cañas kasi nungalingan, storyteller ang
kayo
bungog.
po yung Lord of all drug lords. Ano pong
Si Dilema, itanong mo. Ang queen.
sabi niyo po dito?
Oh, sabi ni Inquirer ba yon?
Ano po?
Kayo daw po ang Lord of all drug lords.
Siya nga.
I cannot.
Lumalaban. Oh, sino maniniwala dyan mga kababayan?
Papabili siguro
Ungas
ako
lang.
ng aspirin, gano'n.
Oh,
Paki-explain po properly, Mr. President. Hindi po namin masyado maintindihan.
bugok. Ang sabi niya, kung may drugs akong binili, yung mga reseta, mercury drug. Oh.
Hindi ako dadating ng pagka-presidente, sir, kung gano'n ako.
Sir, can you kindly tone down your voice?
Oh, yes.
Ikaw, hindi ka nakakaintindi.
No, Mr. President, we're just asking na
Ah.
to clarify your
Alam ng
statements.
pulis, alam ng lahat ng tao ng Pilipinas, mayor ako, hindi ako dadating ng pagka-presidente kung ganun ako katurpe.
Hindi, sinasabi lang po namin, Mr. President, kung kayo po yung
Oh,
Lord
time's up
of
ka na.
all drug lords na sinasabi po ni Arturo Las Cañas.
Sinagot ka na,
Yung
ungas.
po ang tinatanong ko. Mr. President, okay.
Ay, nako.
Lastly, Mr.
Hina na
President.
ko. Ay, may last clip
Yes,
pa.
Again,
last na po to.
Congressman Dan Fernandez.
Mr. President, meron po kayo sinabi nung
Walang galang mga kababayan. Oh. Siya ang batas.
nung 2016
Isang oras na mahigit.
sa interview nyo po that you have planted evidence during your time as a fiscal. Is this true?
Maniwala
Hindi po
ka
totoo.
dyan sa wag lahat ng words na
So yung po
wag mong
nasabi nyo
gamitin
sa video,
laban kay
hindi po siya
Duterte.
totoo.
Alam ng mga pulis yan. Yung planting of evidence, di talaga ako.
Kasi Mr. President, yung po yung napanood ko at sinabi niyo
Sige,
po kasi.
sapahan mo,
Kaya
Kaso.
kami naman po ay, we are basing on the video that we have seen at nakita po namin yung sinasabi niyo na nagpa-plant po kayo ng evidence. And we wanted to find out.
Ipalabas mo na ang
Kasi
video.
yung pronouncement niyo po was construed by the members of the PNP organization that they can do freely the planting of evidence.
Gumagawa-gawa na
Illegal
kwento mga kababay.
kasi, I was
Illegal.
Teaching them criminal law.
Yeah, but the problem, Mr. President, is your announcement or your pronouncement that you have done that, yung sa planting of
Kung
evidence.
hindi yan sa libro, sir, na tinuro ko, hindi totoo yan.
Oh, lies. Invento. hindi
Siguro,
totoo yan.
ipakita lang po natin yung video. Yung last na po to para at least
Out of context na naman yan mga
We
kababayan.
planted evidence. We Sundays. We planted evidence.
Mm.
We arrested persons, but we released them. But telling him that it was this person who squealed on him, and then we, when he goes out but killing, then we said that it was this fellow who really did it, who did you in. We first planted the intrigues so that we would know where they were from, where they came from. It was not until I was the
Oh, pero kinat nyo Malay mo, kung ano-anong precursor na sinabi ng iyan.
I was the favorite whipping boy.
so Mr. President, hindi po
Sinabi ba niya na, plant the evidence? Nag-discuss siya ng mga kababayan Siguro, ayawan lang yun. Yung particular na senaryo. Wala siyang order doon sa police.
Totoo yan, nasa video. Ano po, Mr. President?
Totoo yan.
So, nagpa-plan po talaga kayo ng evidence?
Well, that was part of the strategy as a mayor and as
Siya ang gumawa pero hindi niya in-order.
leader of the law enforcement agency.
Thank you, Mr. President. At maraming po salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Wala na siya mga kababayan para hindi na makapag-explain. Tapos, yun na ang isa-submit nila sa ICC. Implanted
papaya.
evidence.
Salamat, Congressman.
Grabe, no? Anong masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan? Post your comments below.